Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the CPC or cost per click bid for an ad group within a campaign in your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the cost per click in an ad group in your campaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing ads, you know that some ad groups are going after a more competitive keyword. So maybe you need to increase the cost per click bid for that one specific ad group, not the entire campaign. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the cost per click bid for a specific ad group, here on the left, you're going to click on campaign. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two boxes up at the top, and you want to go ahead and choose the campaign that's holding that ad. Okay, so once you've chosen the campaign right here, you're going to see this third box pop up, which houses all of your ad groups. Go ahead and click on there and then choose the ad group that you want to change the CPC or cost per click. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this information right here about the ad group. You can see the maximum CPC is $6 for this particular ad group. But if this happens to be a more competitive ad group going after more competitive keywords, maybe I want to go ahead and increase that. So all you're going to do is click on the current dollar amount. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and type in the max CPC. So let me go ahead and change this from $6 to $8. Okay, so once you've increased it to what you want it to be, go ahead and click on save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that ad group, the max CPC has been changed to $8. So that's only going to be for that one ad group. This particular campaign has, I don't know, maybe 150 or 200 different ad groups in it. And sometimes that happens because this particular ad group is going after a more competitive keyword. So I have to increase the CPC in order to be competitive. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the max CPC for a specific ad group within a campaign in your Google Ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.